Welcome to AR-based cooking. Let's make a plain vanilla cake step by step using augmented reality.
Please follow the arrow for next steps.
Step 1. Mix well 3 egg for 2 minutes. Step 2. Add half a cup sugar and mix well 2 to 3 minutes. Step 3. Add half a cup oil and mix well 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, mix well for 1 minute. Step 5. 1 cup all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder and mix well 4 to 5 minutes. Step 6. Grease a mold with oil. Step 7. Pour into the prepared mold.
Please follow the arrow for next steps.
Step 8. Bake it at 180 Celsius for 35 minutes. Enjoy your vanilla cake and thank you for watching.